Greetings, welcome back to the Car Doctor channel. I'm Tim, I'm here at my repair shop, Donor Automotive in Anchorage, Alaska, and I got a quick tip here. This 08 Uplander, it's been converted to like a work truck. I think it's the extended version Uplander van, and this tip's going to apply to 07, 08 Uplanders with the 3.9. When you get a P0449 evap code, it's a code for evap control circuit problem. First thing you want to look for on this, of course, it could be an evap vent valve, but another thing you want to pay attention to is this connector up here. It's basically just under and behind the driver's front door. Connector C305, I believe. It's a bulkhead pass-through connector here, supplying the fuel tank wiring and evap controls back here. But check this main connector here, pull it off. If it looks like that, that's no bueno. Get some serious corrosion up there, got the green goo. But yeah, something to look for. It's ugly. I don't know, these vehicles have some serious problems with the connectors. This car just came in with the ABS light as well, and the right front wheel speed sensor was dropping out. And the right front wheel speed sensor wiring harness end is full of water as well. There's physically water coming out of the sensor itself. I don't know if you can see that, but they put an aftermarket sensor on here, hub assembly. So I don't know if that has something to do with it. Maybe the sensor side of the harness is leaking water, but these harnesses on the front do wear through. You want to check by the transaxle where it wraps around up here for rubbing through. I'm actually going to replace both wheel speed harnesses. The right front hub on this is making noise, but that's kind of a separate deal. Apart from the evap code, which was why I wanted to make this video, maybe I'll just include the ABS codes as well. If you get that C0035, C004041, stuff like that, and maybe an indicator of front wheel speed sensor circuit issues. Okay, I'll show you what I did on the repair here. Basically, used my little weather pack connector, and one of the female ends was completely rotted off. So I just popped it out of this connector. You can also get the whole connector. Wasn't necessary in my case. I pretty much got everything cleaned up and just replaced this one connector, and I'm going to wire that in. Anyway, I'm going to just butt connector those together. Another thing people do is just make a new pass through and just rewire everything straight to save money. It's not the right way to do it, but you could drill a hole here and go through and run the wire through and connect it on the other side if you were in a pinch. But this is going to work great. There, I'm going to put some dielectric grease on it. And then on these front wheel speed sensors, I just put these connector ends, the wiring harness, and basically it runs from the wheel speed sensor about up this far on the side of the transaxle, and same thing on the other side, connects to the sensor. One thing I found was I had actually just replaced this hub a day ago, addressing part of this problem, and the hub was loose. It was a Moog hub, and it was already had some play in it. It was torqued properly, and everything was done right, but it was loose, so I'm replacing, just a little bit of play in it, so I'm gonna replace it and get this thing back on the road. I do appreciate you watching. We'll catch you next time. Take care.